Hello everyone. In this class we are going to learn articles. In English language usages articles to identify nouns. Articles act much like adjectives. It clarifies whether a noun is specific or a general, singular or plural. There are the two types of articles. Definite articles be. Indefinite articles a or an. So there are the rule we have to see. Place the articles before the noun. For example, the house, the cat, a dog, a book. Place the articles before the adjective when the noun is modified by an adjective. The purple house. These are the examples. The black cat, a white dog, an open book. And so, do not add an article when the noun has a possessive pronoun my, his, her, or their, or a demonstrative pronoun this, that. My house. Example, her book, that house, this book. These are the examples. We have to learn closely. Definite articles they. Use the to identify specific or definite nouns. Nouns that represent things, place, ideas, or persons that can be identified specifically. Use the with both singular and plural definite nouns. The house, the houses, the business, the businesses. Use the to identify things, place, ideas, or persons that represent a specific or a definite group category. For example, the students in Professor Smith's class should study harder. Look at another sentence. The automobile revolutionized travel and industry. So these are the examples for definite articles. Then we can see next indefinite articles a or an. Use a or an to identify nouns that are not definite and not specific. For example, a book, a dog, a cat, a house. Use a or an only for singular nouns. Do not use an article for a plural indefinite noun. Think of plural indefinite noun as meaning all. For example, students should study hard. Here, all the students should study hard. When to use a and when to use an. Choose when to use a and an according to the sound of the noun. Use a before consonant sound, a book, a dog. Use a before sounded h, a long u, and o with a sound of w. For example, a hat, a house, a union, a uniform, a 1 hour appointment. Use an before vowel sound. Example, an asset, an essay, an index, an onion, an umbrella. Use an when h is not sounded. Example, an honor, an hour. So these are the differentiations of definite and indefinite articles. Learn closely and practiced well. Thank you.